Good evening, everyone. My name is Jel. I'm a sales master, and I'm here to present HemoHIM first product. All right. So our HemoHIM, as we all know, is the best-selling product in Atomy. HemoHIM has recorded the #1 best single-selling item in direct selling marketing for 5 consecutive years. All right, let's talk about strengthening your immune cells. Strengthening your immune cells is vital to providing and maintaining good health. If you strengthen your immune cells, then you can remedy the infections. HemoHIM helps strengthen your immune system. It's developed by the Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute, which is equivalent to NASA here in USA. So that's KRIEGEL in Korea, South Korea. In South Korea, around 3,000 scientists deal with radiation every day. And they develop lots of health issues like cancer. So the Korean government gave the scientists 5 million fund, and they discovered this wonderful product, HemoHIM. So HemoHIM is made out of 30 herbs, but there are 3 main herbs. First, let's talk about the Angelica Radix. It's also called Dangwi in Chinese. So Angelica Radix, it helps promote blood circulation. It modulates the immune system. It is also used to treat chronic constipation in elderly and menstrual disorders. So that's one of the herbs. Okay, the Angelica Radix. See, when I'm reading this, like it says menstrual disorders. See, with my own experience, before HemoHIM, my life before HemoHIM, every time I have my period, oh my goodness, it hurts a lot. Like I have the menstrual cramps. I remember those days. Now it's gone thanks to our HemoHIM. So I was like amazed when I was doing my research. Oh, that's why I don't have menstrual cramps anymore. Like I feel good. Yeah. All right. Number 2 herb is the Cnidium officinalis. So the Cnidium officinalis, it's known to clean the blood. It's like it's actually stronger, 10 times stronger than aspirin. So it has that blood thinner effect. So that's why when we offer HemoHIM, if people are taking blood thinners, we tell them to consult with their doctors because HemoHIM has that, like the blood thinner effect too. So usually if they're taking blood thinners, they really don't have to take blood thinners anymore if they're taking HemoHIM. But they have to consult with their doctor before taking HemoHIM. So the Cnidium officinalis, this herbal drug is used in treatment of pain, inflammation, menstrual disturbance, antivitamin deficiency disease, and also acts as a blood pressure depressant. It's also helpful for erection, and it's very good for allergy and depression. So that's why, like, one of the team members too, she shared that her blood pressure has been normalized. That's her own experience with our HemoHIM. So we need to really share this. It does a lot of good things. And with that inflammation, like me, I have a rheumatoid arthritis. HemoHIM helps me. I'm not taking any other medicine. I just take Atomy supplements. Thank God for HemoHIM. I don't think I can live without it. It's really good for you. All right, the number 3 herb is the Paeonia japonica. So the main health benefit is to help heal inflammation. Peony is used for gout, osteoarthritis, fever, respiratory tract illnesses, and cough. Women use peony for menstrual cramps, polycystic ovary syndrome, premenstrual syndrome, It can provide antioxidant benefits. It protects the liver, makes the blood warmer, and gives you energy. See, when I was reading all of this, like it says Paeonia is used for fever, respiratory tract illness, cough. That's why, like it works so well when you have that cold symptom. Like with our experiences, like when my kids are like not feeling well, they're starting to have like cold symptoms, I give them HemoHIM, and when they wake up, it doesn't go to colds. No, like it's gone. So it's really good. Like I also experienced, like I had a low-grade fever last March 22, and because that was during the pandemic, and I took 4 HemoHIM. I did not take any Tylenol, nothing. So it's just so good that everybody should really have this HemoHIM in their house. It's also good for, like my mother-in-law, she had shingles. She still has the shingles. I'm just giving her HemoHIM. And then I put this on her skin too. Yeah. And her shingles looks good. It's really good. The contraindication for HemoHIM are hemophilia and organ transplant. Those are the only 2 contraindications. Like if they're taking blood thinner, they just have to consult with their doctor. That's it. Yeah. So HemoHIM, it's patented in USA, South Korea, England, France, Germany, and Japan. The US patent says that it's patented for 4 things. It's number 1, anti-cancer. So the natural killer cells in your body will be increased if you take HemoHIM. Number 2, it's an immune system booster. HemoHIM helps increase cytokines. And cytokines are responsible for all the movement in immune cells. Number 3, blood production. So it increases the red blood cell and white blood cell. So it increases the oxygen. It gives you strength. So like kids, like you have the strength because of the increase in red blood cells and white blood cells. And also, like if you know any people who are undergoing chemo or anybody, it's best to take HemoHIM because it increases their white blood cells. It will give them energy. All right, number 4, it has that anti-aging effect. My coworker, her husband, she said that she noticed a really glow in his face just by taking HemoHIM. See, it's a very good antioxidant. For healthy individuals, they recommend to take 2 packets of HemoHIM per day. 2 packets. For people undergoing chemotherapy or radiation therapy, they recommend up to 8 packets per day. You know if you reach your limit if you have diarrhea. And I want to share one more thing. Like one of our team members not taking pain med, and he has cancer, and he's taking like 4 HemoHIMs, and it helps him. And you can see his skin looks great too. Yeah. Our CEO was told that he was gonna die in a year because of hardening of his liver. But 12 years later, he's still alive. Yeah, thanks to our HemoHIM. Yeah, okay. All right, that's it for our HemoHIM. Thank you.
HemoHIM disclaimer. HemoHIM does not diagnose, treat, cure, nor prevent any disease. Contraindications are hemophilia and organ transplant.